Welcome. Hi, this is Yatharth. I'm going to present our Unit 2 project, which is Nika's front end, a pixel perfect clone of Nika by team number 43. Our team is as follows. Nitesh Baghel is our team leader, Jayesh Hernar, Dinesh Sharma, Sonali Gupta, and Saurabh Parkade besides me. Mm. Our problem statement was we have to create a functioning front-end clone of Nika with some elements of CSS which were exact, responsive pages, and end-to-end flow of a feature. What we ended up creating was a Nika clone which has the homepage with all its features such as sliders, nav bars, and scroll, auto scroll, and everything. After that, we also created that page to be portable to mobile devices and tablets. It has different front page and category section for our phones. Then there is the login and sign up, which uses a mobile number to log you into the website, stores it into the local storage. Then there is the product page, which has all the products of the women's section, which has filters like Western wear, discount, and colors for sorting. And there is also sort by price. If we click onto a product, it will go directly into the product page where we can add it to the bag, and after adding it to the bag you can view the bag, which has other features such as apply coupons and delete items from your bag. There is a checkout menu where you can enter your address and go further into the payment procedure where you have to enter the card details and everything. After that you can pay and your order will be complete. Now our project demonstration will be continued by Saurabh. Over to you.
So this is the homepage of our website where we have created a navigation bar with different kind of categories in it. And we have also made the account section and a card section. We have also made the sliders on our website. These are the sliders on our website, and this is the overall look. We also made the scroll to top of the website button. We have also made our websites responsive for any kind of devices, and this is the look. And we have also changed the layout according to the device. And now over to you, Dinesh.
Good evening, everyone. This is homepage, our website. Here, three options: account, wishlist, cart. I click after clicking account button. We will be showing three different options: login, sign up, orders, payment method. After clicking login option, go to the login terminal. We will be seeing three different button. After clicking sign up button, go to the next window and entered user's mobile number and submit. This is wrong number. I entered successfully this page, and this is user mobile number, and I entered some default OTP 1 2 3 4 5 6 and click the verify button and successfully sign up this website. This is user mobile number and this is logout button.
Thank you, Dinesh. Now we are on the women section page. Here, there's so many products to buy according to its detail. We have a filter to filter the product according to its category by Western wear, Indian wear, and so on. We have filter according to discount also. And we have a feature of filter according to its color. And we have also feature of the sort the product according to its price, low to high, and high to low. Now we reset the filter and sort by this button. Now we have select one product. I would like to do this. Now we are on the product detail page. Now over to Jayesh.
After clicking on any product on the products page, we go to the products page where we can see all the details of the products, including images, which we have selected on the woman's page, and we can add to bag. When we add to bag, we can view bag option, and after clicking it, we can see the cart page slides in. In the cart, we can see various details regarding the product, the price summary regarding to our order we can see here, and also we can delete the item from the cart, and we can again add item to the bag. And here we can see when we can see the option of applying coupon. When we apply coupon, we can see the price also changes with it, and after that we can click on proceed to buy button, so we can go next, and from here onward Sonali will extend next.
So in this section, we have to put the shipping details where we have to order the items. So we have to put the country name, PIN card, address, full name, mobile number, email address. And after saving this, we have here we have price summary of the items, and after clicking on proceed to buy, we have moved to next page where we have to put the card details. And here is the price summary of the items, and here is the address. So after clicking on pay now, we got the notification that your order get placed. So from here, Yatharth will.
So our project presented us with various challenges, figuring out team coordination, defining exact roles within the team, the technological challenges of creating solutions with limited resources, what we had on our end. We learned ingenuity, how to find creative solutions to the team, and we got a better hold of the concepts we were taught throughout the unit. And the team building was a great part of this experience. We all feel that, and having this team collaborate the way it did was amazing. Thank you.